Good morning, children. Today we will do some numericals based on resistivity. In the previous video, we had learned about resistance and resistivity, and all of you know the formula R is equal to rho L by A, where R is the resistance of the conductor, rho is the resistivity, L is length, and A is area of cross section. What are their units? R, omega or ohm, rho, omega m or ohm meter, L in meters, and area of cross section is in meter squares. So these are the SI units of all these quantities. So we will start doing these two questions I have given on WhatsApp. This is the new one. So I will solve. You watch carefully. First, the formula is same for all of them. Here two wires are taken. This is the first wire and suppose this is the second wire. What is given? Length of nichrome wire. Length, it is asked. We have to calculate. R is given. R is 5 ohm. What is the second wire? If the similar wire, similar means resistivity is same, both are of same material. So, rho is same, of length is 120 centimeters and R is given as 2.5 ohm. So we have to calculate L. If it is first wire, we can write L as L1, R as R1, L here for second wire, L2 and R2. These are the numericals of ratio of R1 and R2. When we calculate ratio of two resistance, then we don't have to convert this centimeter into meters, because in both it will be same and in ratio there are no units. So we don't have to change this, and if the resistivity is same in the formula, if we don't write resistivity, it's okay. So these are ratio numericals. Most of the numericals in resistivity series, they are ratio. So now we calculate. If R1 is divided by R2, what will be the formula? R1 is rho L by A, L1 by A is common in both. So I will not write A1 and A2 because they are similar wire. Their area of cross section is same. So in both we will write A only. So R1 is rho L1 upon A. R2 is again rho L2 upon A. Rho is same in both. So this formula can be written as, we can cancel this rho, we can cancel this A also. So this formula is now is L1 upon of, if we don't cancel here, L1 upon A into A upon L2. This will come in the denominator, A will go to the numerator. So now we have this equation, R1 upon R2 is equal to L1 upon L2. Now we will calculate R2 L1 is equal to R1 L2. We know R1, so, and we have to calculate L1. So R2 is 2.5, L1 is equal to, what is R1? 5 into 120. So what will be the L1? L1 will be equal to 5 into 120 upon 2.5 to 240 cm. So the answer is 240 centimeters. How we get this? What will be the length of nichrome wire? The length of this first nichrome wire will be double the length of this wire. As you know, the resistance is doubled, so the length will be doubled, as the resistance is directly proportional to length. In this formula you can see this resistance is directly proportional to length. So here the resistance is doubled, so the length will also be doubled, and we can calculate mathematically by this ratio formula. We have R1 by R2, and so the ratio, the length is this, and what will be the ratio of R1 and R2? It should be 120 is to 240 or 1 is to 2. So the ratio will be 1 is to 2, but we have to calculate length. So the answer will be 240 centimeters. So this is the first question. Now all of you have take a screenshot and do in your notebooks. Now we will go for the second we will do here right now. We will solve it here only. This is millimeter. Piece of wire. So the first piece of wire, it has R as 20 ohm and radius of 0.2 mm. So radius is equal to, convert it into meter, so it will be 2 millimeter. So sorry, 2 meters. It will be 2 meters. Now when it is drawn to increase the length to twice as original, so this is not second, this is drawn wire. When it is drawn to increase the length twice as the original length. So layer length, here we can write 1 meter. So the length is increased as 2 meter. The length is twice, so it is increased to 2 meters. What is R now? What is, suppose first the R was an R1 and now the R is R2. So what will be the radius now? Radius will be half. Here the radius is 0.2 mm. 0.2 divided by 1000. Radius will be here 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 m. This will be the radius. If it is 2 mm, then it will be 2 into 10 to the power 4 meter. So we what is there? If the length is twice, then what will be the radius? Radius will become half. So we will take radius here. We will not take this numerical value of radius. We will take radius as 1, and when the wire is drawn twice the length, the radius will become half of the first one. So area of cross section will also be half. So we will do this now as R1 upon R2 will be equal to rho L upon A into A1 and A2 and rho L2. This is L2, this is R2, this is R1, this is L1. So our equation will be R1 upon R2 is rho L1 A1 into A2 rho L2. These two will be cancelled. Both are same resistivity. Now we have L1 A2 upon A1 L2. Put the data here. So what is, I am writing here, what is R1? R1 is 20. What is R2? R2 is to be calculated. What is L1? L1 is suppose 1 meter. L1. Then what is A2? A2 is half of the first one. Then what is A1? A1 is suppose 1. And what is L2? L2 is 2, twice. Are you following this? This L2 is twice the one, first L1. This A2 is half of 1. So now we have this equation. So we will have 20 into 2 into 2 into 2. R2 is equal to 20 into 2 into 2 is equal to 80 ohm. Are you following this question? See, this is the wire, the original wire. You should write not first wire. So this is the wire having R1 20 ohm, and this is given, radius is given. But when it is drawn to double the length, suppose the length is 1 meter here, length is doubled, so L2 will be 2 meters. When it is drawn to double the length, so L1 will be 1 meter and L2 will be, now the new length will be 2 meters. R1 is given, radius is given. So we don't have to use this, or we can use also, but if the length is doubled, the radius will be halved. So we can assume if first the radius is 1, now it becomes half. R2 will be half. When R2 will be half, the whole cross section of wire will be half, because pi is common, square is common. When R2 is half, then R1, then the total cross section will also be half. Now this is the formula. R1 is rho L1 over A1 upon R2. So A2 will be in numerator and this is in denominator. So this is the equation. R1 upon R2 is equal to rho L1 upon A1 into A2 upon rho L2. Both are the same wire was there. It is the same wire. So rho is common. It is cancelled. Now we have the formula L1 A2 upon A1 L2. Now put the values in this formula and we will get R2. This is R2 is 80 ohm. It means if the length is doubled, only the length is doubled, How many times is resistance? Resistance become 4 times. Because area is also halved, so the resistance become 4 times. This is the resistance of second wire, when wire is drawn to double the length. Is it clear to all of you? Do in your notebook, and still if you are not understanding, then ask me on WhatsApp or in comment section. So these are 2 numericals. Now we will do the third one. It is written here. So should I write this one? So this is the third one. Compute resistivity of given material whose resistance is 2 ohm. Area of cross section is 25 centimeter square and length is 15 centimeters. So we will do the formula we know. R is equal to rho L by A, or we have to compute resistivity. So the formula for computation of resistivity is R is equal to, this rho is equal to RA upon L. All of you know this? This rho is equal to RA upon L. So we have to calculate this. So R is what is given? R is 2 ohm. Area, here area is given, not radius or diameter. Here area is given. So we will write this, it is 25 centimeters. So it will be 0.25 meter square here, and length is 15 centimeters. So it will be 15 if it is in meters. So this is our equation now. 2 into 0.25 upon 0.15. So if we solve this, we will get 50 upon 15, which will be 3.32 ohm meter. So this is the answer. This is resistivity. 3.32 ohm meter is the resistivity of the material. So this is a quite simple question. Here area is given, convert it into meter. So how we get this ohm meter? We can also look here. This is meter square, means meter into meter. So this is 1 meter is cut by 1. This 2 is in ohm. So the unit of resistivity is ohm meter. In this way, we have this unit of resistivity, and the unit of resistivity of this material is 3.32 ohm meter. This is the third one. We will do 2 more. Now we will do a fourth one, which is also ratio of resistivity. I am writing the numerical here. So in short, I will write in short. Suppose 2 wires are there. Question number, numerical number 4. I will write in short. Suppose 2 wires are there. First wire and second wire. So what is given? It is given that the first wire is double the length of second wire. What is given? First wire is double the length of second wire. So we assume that the length of second wire is 1 meter. So if it is doubled, then it will be 2 meters. It is given that the first wire is double the length of second wire. This is L1, this is L2. So L1 is double of the second wire, that is, and what is given, that the area of cross section is second wire. The area of cross section of the second wire is, area of cross section of the second wire is thrice the area of cross section of first wire. So if A1 is 1, A2 is 3, or we can write it is 3A and this length is 2L. L1 is 2L, double the length of L2, and this is thrice the area of first A1, so A2 will be 3L, L1 will be 2L. Is it clear to all of you? Two wires are given. The first wire has double the length of second wire. The second wire has triple the cross section of first wire. So we can write, we suppose that L2 is 1 meter. So it will be 2 meters. So it will be 2L. A1 is 1 meter square. So A2 will be 3A or 3 meter square. So in this way, what is asked? This resistance of which is more. We have to calculate resistance of which wire is more. Both are of same material. That is, rho is same, resistivity is same. So we have to know resistance of which is more. So we will apply the formula R1 upon R2. R2 is resistance of this one, R1 of this one. So this will be equal to rho L upon A. Rho I will not write. L upon A. L is 2L, A is A. Into R2 is, we will write A on the top, 3A upon L. The L is, L2 is L, 1 meter, it is L. So we will write L2, L here. So this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, and it is 6. So R1 is to R2 is equal to 6 is to 1. That is, the resistance of the first wire is 6 times the resistance of second wire. Are you following this? What is given? That a wire has double the length of a wire. So it is 2L. Suppose the length is L here. So the length will be 2L here. And the area of cross section of second wire is tripled to the area of cross section of first wire. If it is A, then it will be 3A. So now we have this data. We want to know the ratio of the resistance of 2. So we will write R1 rho L by A. Rho is cancelled. Rho is common in both. R2 is rho L by A. So this is reversed. A will be in the numerator and L will be in the denominator. So now we have 2L upon A and it is 3A upon L. So 6 by 1. So the ratio of R1 is to R2 is 6 is to 1. No unit is there as these are ratios. So this is the fourth one. Now we'll do one more, fifth one, and you do in your notebooks, and still if you don't follow, then ask me on WhatsApp. Specifically ask me what you are not following. You watch the video twice, thrice, and then you will follow these numericals. Very simple numerical. So we have done 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fifth one. Question 5th. I am writing. It is again the ratio method. The question is, suppose, write the question, suppose resistance of a wire is R. Resistance of a wire is R. Find the new resistance. Find the new resistance if length is doubled and area of cross section is halved. So how will we do this? Again, new length. Suppose resistance of a wire is R. Find the new resistance if length is doubled and area of cross section is halved. How will we do this? Again, we assume R1 and R2. So this is first wire or before, and it is the new, or you can write instead of second, you can write here wire. If here you can write new wire after the. So what is given? Area of resistance of a wire is, the resistance is R. Find the new resistance. So R2 we have to find. Suppose this is R or R1. If length is doubled. So if this has L length, now the length is doubled to 2L, and if area is here A, area of cross section is halved. It is A by 2. So simple, the ratio will be R1 upon R2. R1 is equal to L by A, L by A, and R2 also L by A. So A by 2L into A2. This is A. Again I am writing. For the second, area is A by 2 into length 2L. Length is doubled. This is A by 2, and in denominator we have to write length. It is doubled. This will cut. This will cut. What remains? 1 by 4. That is, if the resistance initially is 1, now it becomes 4 times. So the ratio of R1 is to R2 is equal to 1 is to 4. That is, initially R or R1 is 1. Now the resistance becomes, you will write resistance becomes 4 times. So this is the answer. Suppose what the new resistance? So the new resistance will be 4 times of the original resistance. So this is the answer of this question.